Today we're going to organize your Google Drive so that hopefully you'll be able to find things more easily and stay organized throughout your time at Pomperaug High School. So the first thing to do would be to open up your drive. You probably have tons of documents from past years. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dump them all into one folder to get them out of the way. So I'll say New, and I'll say Folder. I'm going to call this Middle School. And you can see my middle school folder is here, but I could also see it along the side. If I click on the triangle, it will open up my drive so that I could see all my folders a little bit more easily, because I have way too many. So here's middle school right here. I'm going to go ahead and find all of my folders and documents from middle school, and I'll select them. If I click and then hold the Shift key down and then click the last folder, I could select several all in a row. Or if I click one and hold the Command key on a Mac or the Control key on a PC, I could highlight various folders that I just want to choose haphazardly. Once I get all the folders that I want, I'll click and drag them over to my middle school folder. Do that with all of the folders, all of the documents that you have from middle school. Once you do that, then let's go ahead and make a new folder for this year. So I'll say New, Folder, and I'll do one for 9th grade. I'll open the 9th grade folder. You always know where you are by the breadcrumb trail at the top. So I'm in the 9th grade folder, and within that 9th grade folder, I want to create some new folders, one for each class that I'm taking this year. So English 1, create, new folder, world history, create, and then I'll continue to do that with all of my classes. From there, it's a matter of dragging and dropping any documents that you need to into the correct folder. Do a search for any untitled documents that you have, give them names and put them in the correct place. So finally, when you get back to your drive, all you should see is folders and nothing sitting outside. So all of these should not be there. They should all be within one of your folders that you've set up. Keep yourself organized. It's going to make your life much easier. Put things in folders and make sure you give them a name that's descriptive, not just a history project. You're going to have lots of history projects. Give it a specific name, World War I project, at least. Okay, that's about it.